Final lab sessions of the first trimester of Industrial Mechatronics. 3 production lines providing the collaborative robot station with camera vision for palletizing. At this moment, a tall cap is being placed on a piece with both insert and chip, and it is sent to the robot station. The collaborative robot moves the camera vision closer. This identifies the piece. There you see it flash. Once the piece has been identified, it communicates through Profinet with the robot, and the robot palletizes in the corresponding place. After palletizing, as the tether line has already fed a piece, the robot turns to it, identifies it, and will palletize it. Over here we have a half-finished process. The type of piece has been identified and checked if it is empty or not. Once the piece has been identified, it goes to the vision quality station and checks the insert and chip are in place. It then goes to pick and place station, which was called joining station, and a tall cap is put in place because it is red. That information comes from the previous station. This station is connected by I/O link. All of this station is also connected by I/O link, and this one is connected by I/O link as well. We continue with another production line which provides 3 types of pieces, red, metallic, or black, for the robot to be palletized, rejecting those which are upside down or with insert. We can see how it identifies and will begin to palletize. The process is stopped until the piece is removed. When it is removed, the process starts again, and the piece is rejected on the corresponding slide. Here we can see how the distributing station provides all types of pieces. The testing station checks to see if it is tall or not, with or without cap, and if it is not tall, it sends it to processing. The processing station checks if it has an insert or not. If it does not have insert, it drills, and if it does, it does not. We continue with the 3rd production line, which provides only 1 product. There we see the piece in the packing station. It already has the tag inside and the cap, and the station packages it. Meanwhile, the robot continues palletizing products of the 3 lines, of course. There we see how it packages the piece. This is the slowest process, so the rest of the stations are on hold. Its positioning is by stepper motor and encoder motor controller. All are on hold. We can see, for example, how the turning station has turned over a piece that was upside down. It checks again to see if it is still right way up or not. It communicates this information to the sorting station, it is right way up, and allows it to pass. Otherwise, it should remove it. Pick and place, once it has arrived, must insert the tag and place cap. Here we have the measuring station with a piece that is upside down, and so the measuring station tells the turning station it must be turned over, and the height check in case it has a cap. After checking it has a cap, turning station tells sorting station that it must reject it because it cannot insert the tag. Sorting station identifies it and rejects it on the corresponding ramp. The handling station is waiting for the measuring station to give it permission to provide a piece.